Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function map. Hi Python developers. Today we're diving into the map function, a powerful tool for applying a function to every item in an iterable. By the end of this video, you'll understand how map works, when to use it, and how it can simplify your code. Let's get started. What is map? It's a built-in function that applies a given function to every item in an iterable, returning a map object. Here's the syntax. Map with arguments function, iterable, and iterables. A function is a function that takes one or more arguments. Iterable is an iterable like a list, tuple, or string. For the iterables argument, you can have additional iterables if the function takes multiple arguments. The result is a map function, which is an iterator containing the transformed items. Why use map? It's designed to simplify data transformation by applying a function across a sequence. Key concepts include: the map function is a functional programming tool that avoids writing explicit loops. It's memory efficient because it returns an iterator instead of a full list. And you can use it with any iterable, including list, tuples, strings, and generators. You'd use the map function when you're applying a transformation function to all elements in an iterable, when you're working with functional programming or wanting concise, readable code, or when you're processing large data sets where memory efficiency is important. It's especially useful when you already have a function that operates on individual elements. Let's start with a basic example, squaring all numbers in a list. Here we have the list of numbers. Here, the map function applies the lambda function to square each number in the list, and the result is converted to a list using the list function. Map function can also transform strings to integers or any other type. Here we have a list of string numbers. Using the map function, we can transform each item in string numbers into an int. If your function takes multiple arguments, you can pass multiple iterables to map. Here we have two lists. Notice in our map function, we're using a lambda function that takes two values. So here the map function combines two lists element-wise using the lambda function to calculate their sum. You don't always need a lambda function. The map function works with any callable function. Here we create the function double x, which returns x times 2. We create the list numbers, and then here the predefined double function is applied to each element in the list using the map function. The map function pairs well with filter for complex data transformations. Here we have our list of numbers. Then using the map function, we multiply each of the numbers by 2. However, we only do that for numbers that are filtered into even numbers. So in this example, filter selects even numbers, and then what remains are doubled by the map function. Here are some important points about the map function. It returns an iterator, so you need to convert it to a list, tuple, or another iterable to view the results. It's best for single transformations. Use list comprehensions for more readability in simple cases. Combining the map function with other functional tools like filter and reduce can streamline complex workflows. And that's the map function. To recap, it applies a function to every item in an iterable. It's memory efficient and works seamlessly with multiple iterables. And it's perfect for functional programming and simplifying data transformations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!